Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening your scene and locating the item you want to rename. This saves mistakes later. Once the scene loads, open the outliner and find the node quickly, because you need the exact node type. Make sure you select the correct transform or shape node depending on what you intend to rename, and confirm selection in the channel box. This prevents renaming the wrong element and keeps constraints and connections intact. You now perform the rename in the channel box for transforms or in the attribute editor for shapes, because those places update references correctly. Type a concise name using underscores or camel case to maintain pipeline compatibility. This helps scripts and rigs find nodes. Once done, search scene for old name occurrences and update constraints, set-driven keys, and material assignments so connections remain valid. Otherwise, you finish by validating that all connections still work and that references or namespaces reflect the new name. This prevents runtime errors. Once verification is complete, run a quick playblast or test export to ensure rigs and constraints behave. If something breaks, use your incremental saves to revert, then relink the node and reapply the rename carefully. This troubleshooting step minimizes downtime and preserves scene integrity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.